Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the MOMOSTAR induction pots and pans set.
If you're on the hunt for the best cookware for your induction stovetop, you're in the right place.
Let's get started. Now, induction cooking has become increasingly popular for its efficiency and precise temperature control.
The MOMOSTAR set promises to deliver not only on compatibility but also on durability and ease of use. Let's talk features. This set includes a 10-inch frying pan, a 10-inch sauté pan with lid, and a 3-quart saucepan, all crafted from stainless steel. What caught my attention immediately is the healthy non-stick coating, completely free from harmful chemicals like PTFA, PFOA, and cadmium. Perfect for those aiming for a healthier cooking lifestyle. These pans are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven without any hassle.
Just remember, the lids are not oven safe, so keep those out of the heat. Cleanup is a breeze with these pans. They're dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus in my book. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or simmering, these pans deliver consistent results. The stainless steel handles stay cool to the touch, providing a secure grip and adding to the overall ease of use. Worried about durability? MOMOSTAR offers a hassle-free 30-day trial and a 12-month warranty. So you can purchase with confidence knowing your investment is protected. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your cookware to something that not only performs admirably on induction stovetops, but also enhances your cooking experience overall, the MOMOSTAR induction pots and pans set is a solid choice. Don't forget to check the description box below for more details and where you can find these pans. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications on future reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!